Hey guys, just want to do a quick video. I picked up this parts washer. It's a System 1, which is an old parts washer, no longer in production, but it's super cool and finally got it working. So figured I'd just do a quick run through. So this is the top standard parts washer. It looks like nice bath of parts fluid. Got the pump down here circulating to the hose and the brush. And what makes the system different is that it uses mineral spirits. So what's interesting about mineral spirits, it's a great cleaner, but you can also clean the fluid. So this fluid never really needs to get drained. What happens is that this is a vacuum actuated drain for this bath. So when the fluid gets all dirty, you hit a button on the side, turns on a pump, and this drain drains the fluid down. And let me show you where it all goes in here in the back, because I've got it open. So this is the back of the main bath where you would clean everything. This drain back down there goes to we'll call it a boiler or a distiller back here. You can see the insulation around it. And inside of there is a heater. And what happens is the fluid drains out, the mineral spirits go into this boiler, and it starts heating it up to probably around 300 degrees, I'm guessing. And what happens is you evaporate off the mineral spirits. It's all helped by this pump, which is actually a vacuum pump. So it pulls a vacuum on the boiler. The mineral spirits go in, boil at a much lower temperature because it's now under vacuum. They come out of here, and this is a two-pass heat exchanger. So this part of it is before the pump. So try and condense it down while it's still hot. Goes back through the vacuum pump, comes back up here, goes through the heat exchanger again. And what happens then is you end up with clean mineral spirits coming off that drain line, going back into this tank, which is a holding tank, holds about 25 gallons of fresh cleaner in there. And there's a pump over here, which then lifts this now clean fluid back up this line and refills this the bath. So anytime you're using it, it's going to have nice clean fluid. If it gets dirty, you hit the button and it just dumps it down and runs its recycle. This solenoid here is actuated off the vacuum, and this is what's actually going up and actuating the drain. So when you hit the button, this vacuum pump turns on, starts pulling vacuum, uses this solenoid. On mine was completely gummed up, so I had to rebuild this, as well as there's a vane type vacuum pump in here. The seal, so I'm turning the fan here, which I don't know if you can see, it also works to blow air over this. The seal was really stuck, and that little run capacitor back there didn't have enough power to power the stuck seal. So took it all apart, got it running again. It ran its recovery for the first time in probably 7-10 years. Everything looks like it's a go. So the only thing I have to show you guys is where you drain off the sludge. So behind here is the boiler or the distiller, I don't know what it's really called, and the bottom drain is here. So the bath will drain down into this. The mineral spirits all get evaporated off, and the only thing that's left at the bottom is the grease or the sludge that doesn't evaporate out. This guy here is a plug. Turn this, remove that, and it's got a nice little rubber nozzle or rubber tip here. You just drain out the sludge there, and everything, you dispose of that just like you would waste oil. So really cool system. Always have fresh, clean fluid in there. It's self-cleaning, so you never have to dispose of the part of the wash fluid. Really pretty well built. Mine has certainly seen some use, but I picked it up really cheap. And though it's a little complicated, got it running. All right, hope this helps somebody. Bye.